It must be love.
What do you got there?
Nothing. Have fun with the kids today.
Right. It's Galentine's Day.
It's the t-shirts, I'm telling you. Yeah. No wonder we're getting compliments. To Galentine's Day! Oh, wait!
How long have you guys known each other?
7
6 years.
It's been 7.
We were not friends the first year.
Yes, we were. What are you doing?
Nothing. Car's here.
Oh, where are we going?
Where it all began.
Whee! This is where your daughter pushed my baby.
Oh, yeah. I'm stuck. Help!
All right, I'm tired.
Yeah.
So what's next? Oh, our favorite place.
This is so us.
It is us.
Good to see you again, lady.
Hi, Spence.
How's your girlfriend?
She's good, as always.
Well, she's very lucky to have you.
Well, I'm the lucky one.
Aww.
All right, ladies, good to see you.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
So what'd you get?
Ooh, Nicole, will you accept this rose?
Come on. She's not in it for the right reasons.
She's got to go.
Oh, man.
I got to go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, come on!
Are you kidding me? Next episode is gonna be so good.
Yeah. Tiffany's got to go.